Foundation repair can feel super overwhelming, but knowing how to check if your contractor is legit can save you a ton of stress and cash. So, first off, always ask your contractor for references from recent foundation repair projects that are similar to what you need. Talking to past clients gives you the real scoop on how reliable and skilled the contractor is. Next, check if they have the right licenses and insurance, because that protects you if anything goes wrong on the job. Don't forget to get a detailed written estimate with a clear breakdown of costs, so no surprises pop up later. Also, ask about the timeline. Knowing how long the work will take helps you plan and avoids endless waiting. It's smart to research reviews online, but don't just trust the flashy ones. Look for consistent feedback about quality and professionalism. If possible, watch out for contractors who push for quick decisions. That's usually a red flag. Lastly, trust your gut. If something feels off or too good to be true, keep looking until you find someone you really feel good about. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair is hiring without checking references, which can lead to shoddy workmanship or unfinished jobs. Fix that by calling at least 3 recent customers and asking detailed questions about their experience. Another common problem is not verifying licenses and insurance, which puts your home at risk if accidents happen. Always ask for proof before signing anything. A third issue is ignoring written estimates, causing unexpected cost hikes. Get everything in writing with timelines and payment schedules to keep things transparent. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome way for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who specialize in foundation, repair, and other big jobs. It also helps contractors get connected with real clients looking for their services, making both sides happy and confident in the process.